Hello friends, welcome to my channel Be a Believer. Today I am going to talk about how to deal with depression. It is very important topic as nowadays most of the people are facing depression. So here I will discuss about the ways to tackling out depression. Let's start with this. Number 1, do your favorite activity. This is one of the best way to deal with depression, as if you indulge yourself for doing your favorite activity, then your mind get defocus the depression and you start enjoying your favorite activity. If you want to get rid of depression, then just involve in any kind of activities which you like the most, as by doing that you can definitely come out from the depression. Number 2, listen your favorite music. Music work as a therapy. Whenever you feel low or sad, then just listen your favorite songs and you will definitely forget your pain and sadness. It works instantly as music is having an enormous power of healing. By listening music, you will find yourself happy, and by that you can definitely come out from your pain at least for a while. Number 3, spend time with nature. One of the best way to tackle out depression is to spend your time with nature. You can go for a walk in garden. Just surround yourself with the greenery and you will feel enormous happiness. Do not put yourself in one room. Instead, come out and spend time in nature's beauty and make yourself relax, and always remember one thing, that every problem has a solution. You just have to find it out, that solution, and once you will find that solution, then you will come out from the depression. So by spending time with nature, you can make yourself calm and relax, and in that state of mind start thinking of ways to come out from the things that you are suffering. Number 4, spend time with your loved ones. Never ever put yourself alone. Instead, just be with your loved ones, as their love and affection will work as a therapy, and by that you will feel safe and relaxed. It is the time to spend with your loved ones and share with them about your problem, as they can definitely help you to come out from depression. If you won't share it, then how they would know about your problem? So never hesitate to contact your loved ones when you are not in good state of mind, as their words and love will help you out definitely. They know you better, so that they can help you out in all the possible manners. So just go and tell everything that you are suffering from, and you will feel so light, as whatever that you had, that you shared, and you will also get bestest solutions which will solve your problem. Number 5, avoid overthinking. Overthinking is the biggest cause of unhappiness. Overthinking is the root of any kind of disease, as by overthinking you are just making your life worse. So better just avoid overthinking. One of the best way to avoid overthinking is to start working. If you will make yourself busy in working, then you won't think anything, and by that you can make yourself away from overthinking. Stop overthinking, as you can't control everything, so just let it be. Number 6, watch out movies and web series. By seeing good movies and web series, you can definitely deal with your worst period, as you have to understand that you have to tackle out those bad days, so better rather to regret, just surpass those days, and for that this is one of the best way, as everyone likes watching movies and web series. There are many motivational movies and web series that you can definitely watch. Number 7, motivational songs and stories. Just check out motivational songs as it will help you to feel motivated and energized. You just need motivation to deal with depression, and for that motivational songs are the best option. Even you can read out motivational stories that will give you some ideas and provides enough motivation to deal with your depression. Number 8, positive thinking. Just think about your life once you get rid of depression. Your best days are coming and you will get everything that you desire. So just stay positive in terms of thinking, as by that you will get positive vibes, and those vibes will cure your depression. Never make yourself surrounded with negativity and negative people. Instead, surround yourself with the people who can help you out. One thing always remember, that you have to fight with worst days to earn the best days of your life. Every one of us have to face this, so get ready to fight with depression and come out like a true fighter. And this will gives you enormous amount of confidence, and that confidence brings lots of success for sure. Remember, sadness is always temporary. This too will get past for sure. Even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. Likewise, your tough days will end and your best days will rise for sure. I hope you will definitely get help from this video. If you like this video, then do press the like button. Share it with your friends and family so that if anyone is facing depression, then they can get the solution. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such important content. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much.